Hey guys, after this video, don't have to waste your time or spend a dime on freelancers, because in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create outstanding AI image related applications that you can run for your own work or for your audience, and of course completely for free. So kindly stick with me in this video step by step, and I promise you would be amazed. So let's dive in. And firstly, just you can go to Google and type Google AI Studio. Then he'll go to the first result, Google AI Studio. Then he'll land on this amazing applications. So here for sure I just talked about this amazing Google AI Studio and its latest update using Nano, or Gemini 3 Pro. Here I'm gonna show you an awesome thing here most of you don't use properly in their work. So here you can go to this icon, and here you can find this amazing left panel. And the most important here, that is a build section here. Here you can build your own AI tool or SaaS tool for everything application you can think of related images. Anything you can think of for your work. So here for sure you can get different ideas from ChatGPT or any other AI chat model. So for instance, I can use ChatGPT to give me some ideas to create applications that related to images using AI. And of course it gives me different amazing collections, like for a wardrobe and stylist, and for home decor visualizer, image to cartoon and different styles, image cleaner, here you can remove anything you want, meme generator, cube thumbnails, product photographer, face swappers, plant and object identifier, logo builder, body transformation visualizer, handwriting to font generator, and so on and so forth, as you see. And of course if you just have an idea, just you can create your own application here to wow your audience. So for example here, randomly I just picked some of these ideas and just go through some ideas for my own use and for you to use later. So I can go to Google AI Studio and just here edit, just answered here this prompt like build an application that blah 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 and so on. So for example here, just ready to get shocked. The first one here, this I just created this application to edit any photo. Here you can edit anything you want or restore old images. Yes, as colorize it, repair if any tears, rips, noise in this photo, enhance to upscale it as you want. So here I just inserted this prompt to create an application that enables me to edit an image or restore old photos, either by colorizing or just repair this photo, and as well as a feature to upscale an image. So here just in few seconds it gives me this amazing live application: edit, restore, and upscale. So for example here, to test out its amazing capability, so I can actually use restore feature, and here I'm gonna upload an image here, and select this one, colorize and generate. And just in few seconds here, this amazing application gives me an outstanding result, as you would see, just like this. Okay, perfect. So original and edited, or after colorizing this image, as you see. Perfect. So of course you can actually download this image completely for free without any watermark, or you can edit anything you want here just by repair it, enhance it, or upscale your image as you want. So you can use this amazing application completely for free. And of course I will leave these applications online if you want to use it for free in the description box. Okay, so of course you can build here your application and share it to your audience using this amazing share it, or download this application as you see. So the first application I just built here on Google AI Studio using Nano, of course, is this one, as old photos restorer. Okay, And now let's move on to the next example. That is, I just created this amazing one to create high quality YouTube thumbnails. As you see, Thumb Genius AI. Here I just give this prompt to this amazing Google AI Studio build application to build my application to create high quality YouTube thumbnails. If any user just answers his topic or the title of this video, and it gives me this amazing YouTube thumbnail based on a reference image. I just got this amazing reference from Pinterest.com. Here I can look for different examples of YouTube thumbnails and get one of them as you want, and just use this reference to build your own YouTube thumbnails based on this image regarding styles, vibes, colors as you want. So I just give it this amazing title. I cooked viral TikTok recipes, so you don't have to. It's just a title of any YouTube video, and generate gives me this amazing one just in 5 seconds, as you see. Mind blowing, isn't it? So let's try something else here as live with you. So here I can remove this one, okay, and insert this title. I did 100 push-ups a day for 30 days, insane results. So generate, perfect. Of course, you can actually repeat this amazing one to get something like a push-up on ground or something, but this amazing YouTube thumbnail just reveals this amazing transformation. Okay, so this amazing YouTube thumbnail is amazing for your work. And now let's move on to the next example here. First sure is I just create this one to just, if you have an image of a meal from Google results or from your camera, this amazing application analyzes this meal and gives you back the ingredients, the whole calories, and the best alternatives and so on. So here, create, analyze at lightning speed. So here you can edit your image as you want, okay? If you have a meal to make it more stylish or something, or food lens. So if I click over this one, you've got two options: camera, if you just use it, this amazing one on laptop or in a phone, or upload your image from your device. So I can go to this one, upload, and upload an image of a meal like this one, and then click over this button, analyze meal. Here as you see, the total calorie from this plate, 480 calories. Ingredients: chicken breast, cauliflower, corn, avocado, red onion, and so on and so forth. Alternatives here: use lean ground turkey, increase the portion of non-starchy vegetables. And here you can find this recipe instructions here if you want to prepare this amazing hot meal, okay? And just you can actually analyze another, if you have another image to analyze and build your own meal. So that way you can create your own application online to just make your own work easier and quicker. And of course, don't forget that I just used this amazing Google AI Studio before to create my Pinterest image generator. I will leave also the link of this application down below in the description box. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.